now, from number 2 to number 1, that lift there is pitched out to about 5 centimeters. Literally pitched out. But it's still a small tracer there. Which is bad news. So what we are trying to do now is to go back to where we left it here, open up all this waste, take it all out, and see if it's any wider on this front here. Because we're hoping to get this down on the then cross country. But the reef there is now that much. And here on the vertical, we are now driving on the reef, but the grades are not. I've taken 2 samples. They're not showing very low grade. I've taken 2 samples. I only saw specs on the third sample. The first 2 samples, there was nothing there. There was no gold. No gold. But on the third one, look at the specs coming through. So literally what we are saying is, looks like number 1 here, it's low grade. Slow grade stuff here. So we need to, you know, we are not
so even if we carry on, you think there is a risk that we carry on and there's no gold there?
No, what we need to do from the history of this place, we need to be going down. Apparently grade increases with depth here, that's what I need to understand. So we still need to drive, get away from the shaft, then start sinking on the reef now.
The main worry is that the reef is low grade.
Yeah, as long as you're in this horizon, it might be low grade. But when you start going down, history tells us that the grade improves with depth. That's what this guy is saying. So we need to be sinking.
And here you're saying that we now need to go around this area here to try and see if we can find.
Yeah, what we are saying here is that what is so narrow, we will still mine, but instead of getting 2.5 tons, you probably get half a ton. What's your reef is now that way. So you've lost out on tonnage.
And the grade there?
The number of things to go up, but we don't know the stage of now. But normally once this thing, narrow down like that, grade normally goes up. But I don't know about this. So we've lost tonnage here. But again, I want to emphasize, this is normal structure in this sort of environment. You can't give up because your reef is narrow.
It's up and down.
Yeah. Either along strike or it's a problem now because we don't have many faces. Otherwise, it's normal. It closes here, opens up there, closes, open up there.
So right now we have 2 faces, right?
We have 2. Yeah.
So we're likely to open up a 3rd face once we go, if we go down this way.
If you go down that way, that will be a 3rd face going down and going across there, another face there. Here, it is simply just one face, whole step going down.
So we have this face,
that one there,
that face, and then the 3rd one, this one. That will increase our yield.
Our yield, yeah. Also our flexibility. You'll be surprised, we take one blast here, it opens up.
Yeah.
It happens. Because when we went down 2 meters, it pitched. Maybe another 1 or 2 meters, it opens up.
Okay. So I guess as long as we know what the situation is. Yeah. So what is your move now?
The move now is we want to go back right at the bottom here.
Yeah.
And open it up.
Yeah.
So that if it's narrow, but we can increase the span, you see.
Yeah.
We have more span.
Yeah.
It's
So
not,
we're working that way.
yeah. We're opening up that front there.
Okay.
So that way with a longer span right across there.
Okay.
That way we compensate for the width by length. So that's what is happening now. We're opening up here. and we can compensate.
That's what they're doing right now.
That's what's happening now.
Yeah.
And as you open up some of the stuff that comes out, you also might have some problem.
Yeah, well,
It's not usual. It's not rubber.
because we are packing it all underground. We were trying to speed up the whole process.
Okay.
So everything that's being removed there is not coming out.
We're packing it.
We are packing up underground.
Okay.
So that by Monday, we should have a first layer. That's the idea.
Yeah. And the vertical shaft, what are you doing there?
Vertical shaft, we are now driving here
Yeah.
at 25 meters.
Yeah.
We have taken in 2 blasts, and there's a reef there, we are following that reef.
Yeah.
So we want to go up maybe another 8 meters, then we start sinking.
Yeah. What hinders you from start sinking now? If there is low grade?
It's too close to the shaft.
Okay.
Otherwise you destroy your shaft.
I see.
So you want to get away from the shaft,
Yeah.
then sink. Because you might want to come back and sink your shaft.
Yeah,
This is
I
the way,
understand.
yeah.
I
What
understand.
about the timbering process? Not necessary anymore.
No, it will be necessary, but we just want to, even if you are going to timber, you still need that breakaway to protect your timber.
Okay.
So when will you start sink? How many days will it take until you can start sinking on the vertical?
How many days here? It's a meter a day.
A meter a day?
Yeah, we're doing a meter a day. So if you want to go 8 meters, that's 8 days.
Yeah. How many meters have you advanced now?
About 1.5.
Okay.
1.5.
Because just started yesterday.
We just started
Yes, I know.
The grades on this main shaft here, at this level, they are low. But once you start going down, the deeper you go, and when you start paying, the grades become higher and higher as you go down. But the reef will be all right.
Yeah. Okay. So it's work.
I've got no doubt. If we open up here
Yeah.
and here,
What about the people working here? Is this the usual numbers, or is it because it's weekend? The guys that are working, are they these usual numbers that are working?
no, it's usual.
Those are the
No
usual.
normal day, normal operation,
It's a normal day,
Normal day.
normal activity.
normal activity. If you come tomorrow, you will see things like this again.
Will you work tomorrow as well?
Yeah, because we need to clean up this
Yeah.
tomorrow.
They work on Sundays
Yeah,
as
work
well.
on Sundays.
Yeah. That as well.
That we might give it a rest, and because there's no pressure. I wanted the people to clean up this end here.
Yeah.
But if we wanted to do this and that,
We could.
so why don't we?
We can talk, but you see, it's
What we want to
voluntary.
try and do is to try and get to that quick.
Our people do that.
I think we should.
We need to do that.
I mean, as things are now, we are really stressed that get production. I mean, guys up in Sweden, they are. We know that it is, but the only thing we have is time, and we have human resources, and let's use that time and human resources maximum level until we are doing that production today that we have said, because then until then we have to maximum 110%. So I'm sorry, but we just have.
So instead of removing the pressure there, we should actually put pressure so that we try and get to this. Whilst we also do
Maximum speed.
Maximize.
Maximum speed.
only just maximize.
So and you're giving Case a report every day.
Yeah, I got my returns.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.